Hello Python programmers. As you know that in the last video we started the Kinter programming in Python, and today in this video we are moving further in the Kinter programming. In the last video we learned how can we create the basic Kinter window in Python, but in this video we are learning how can we add the widgets to the Kinter window in Python. As you know, my dear viewers, that widgets, what is widgets? Kinter provides the various controls that can be added for creating the various GUI applications like buttons, text boxes, labels, check buttons, radio buttons. So today we are learning how can we add these widgets to the Kinter window in Python. So to start with, firstly we need to import the Kinter module. So from Kinter, import star, and then we are creating a root variable here. So in short, basically we are creating the basic Kinter window first. This is the basic Kinter window that we are creating. As you can see, this is the Kinter window, and now what can we add further in this window? Let's give the title to our window, root dot title. Adding widgets to Kinter window. Let's define the geometry of our Kinter window, root dot geometry. Now let's give the background color to our Kinter window. What should be the background color of our window? That is your choice, whatever you want to set. Root dot configure bg equal to pink. Now let's run this. As you can see, my dear viewers, that the title is set to adding widgets to the Kinter window and the background color of the Kinter window is set to pink. So now let's move further. What is the purpose of the today's Kinter tutorial? Today we are learning how can we add the widgets. So the first widget that I am telling you is label. How can we add label to the Kinter window? What basically is a label? Label is a widget in the Python Kinter that is used to provide a single line caption for the other widgets. Even it can also contain images as well. So let's take any variable. You can take any variable name, L1 equal to label. Now that label has to be added in root, and the name of that label is let's add the name of the label is hello Python programmers. And after this we need to pack that label. Now what is pack? We use this pack method in the Python Kinter window. Basically, it is a geometry manager that organizes the widgets in blocks in Python. It organizes the widgets in blocks so that it can finally be organized in the parent widget. So now if we run this, you can see one label is added to our Python Kinter window, and that label is hello Python programmers. We can set the font also, font style of this Kinter window, and we can set the font size also. So how can we do that? Let me show you. Here you can do font equal to, like suppose I want to set the times font equal to times, and I want to set the size and then bold. Now if we run this, you can see hello Python programmers. You can see the font style, you can see the font size. It's up to you, whatever style you want to choose, that you can write over there, and even you can copy paste that particular font style from Microsoft Word also, if you don't know the particular name of that font style. So after this we are learning how can we add another widget to the Python Kinter window. Today we are learning the second widget is button. Button widget is used to display the buttons in your GUI application. So here basically we are going to create one button, that is b1 equal to button. Button has to be added in root, and text of that button is click me. You can set any text, it's up to you. then you know very well that if it is a widget, it has to be packed in the parent widget. So we are packing it, b1.pack, and now you can see click me. Click me is the button. If you click it, it will show you the button. But when we click this button, what action has to be performed on this button, that we will learn in our next Kinter tutorial. So today it's all about the widgets, that how can we add the widgets to the Kinter window. In the later videos we will be learning how can we add the other widgets, like we have entry, we have text box, check buttons is there, radio buttons is there, message is there. So how can we add those widgets, that we will learn in the later window and tutorials. And it's all about today's Kinter tutorial. Thank you.